Welcome to our Nookomis Obagijigan Ojibwe Moccasin pattern book. Materials and instructions. Patterns from newborn to men's 14. Find your size. Trace pattern onto paper. Here's your vamp. Cut that out. Fold it in half and even it out. Now your cuff. And finally the sole. Be creative. Trace, tape some paper together. Don't stress perfection. You can even it out later. Now clean up your cuts. Now you have a sole, a vamp, and a cuff. Make a copy onto cardstock or paper bag for longevity. Check your leather for some holes. Stretch the leather. It should be the width, not the length. Trace and cut it out. Happy making from Marberry.